Natural formation, maybe possible jets that left this behind. Commercial airliner with some trail behind it, but it's weird. It goes into different directions. Maybe this was some kind of rocket that malfunctioned, and you can see the debris move now of what looks to be some kind of angelic ice sculpture that was naturally formed. People are kind of amazed about what this drone captured. We're looking at it right now, and it's pretty incredible to behold how Mother Nature wants to represent maybe a possible angelic being. We're looking at this massive piece of natural art, I have to say, and it almost looks like there's wings on either side of it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just you look at around the world and what happens on natural phenomenon that's created from nature, and it creates these beautiful aspects and curiosity that we kind of imagine. And we're looking at this, and it looks like a sculpture of a bird. You could even almost recognize a beak at the end of this thing. I'm wondering, was there scaffolding on top of this, and then the ice just kind of perched up on top of it, kind of creating this formation?
You know them birds, you know